Italy, a country where every street feels like a movie set, every meal feels like a celebration, and every moment feels like stepping back in time. Today, we're taking you on a journey through some of the most iconic and some surprising places across Italy. So pack your bags, hit that like button, and let's begin our Italian adventure. Our journey begins in Rome, the eternal city. Here, the past isn't just remembered, it's alive. Walk through the massive arches of the Colosseum and imagine 50,000 Roman spectators cheering in unison. Just a few steps away, the Roman Forum spreads out like an ancient playground of emperors, temples, and legends. Inside Vatican City, masterpieces wait at every corner. Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling is breathtaking, and trust me, no photo ever captures the real thing. But Rome isn't just history, it's the capital of simple pleasures, an espresso standing at a bar, fresh gelato melting in your hand, and the sound of scooters buzzing through narrow cobblestone streets. Next stop, Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, where human creativity reached new heights. The iconic Duomo dominates the skyline with its bold red dome engineered by Brunelleschi. Climb to the top for a view that instantly explains why so many artists fell in love with this city. Inside the Uffizi Gallery, you'll meet Botticelli's Birth of Venus, Leonardo da Vinci's early masterpieces, and the sculptures that shaped Western art. And don't forget the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's medieval bridge lined with tiny jewelry shops sparkling above the Arno River. Florence teaches you that beauty isn't just seen, it's felt. A short drive from Florence and you're in Tuscany, where the world slows down and life tastes delicious. Rows of vineyards, cypress-lined roads, medieval villages perched on hilltops. It's everything you imagine Italy to be. Sip a glass of Chianti straight from its birthplace, wander through the quiet streets of San Gimignano, or enjoy a homemade meal in a farmhouse overlooking endless fields. In Tuscany, simplicity becomes luxury. From rolling hills, we head to the dreamlike city of Venice, where roads are replaced by canals, and time feels like it flows as slowly as the water beneath you. A gondola ride through narrow passages reveals quiet corners most tourists miss. Tiny bridges, flower-filled balconies, and the sound of water echoing between ancient walls. St. Mark's Square is the grand stage of Venice, framed by the basilica's golden mosaics and the Doge's palace, once the center of Venetian power. And when sunset hits the Grand Canal, Venice becomes pure magic. Heading north, we arrive in Milan, Italy's modern heartbeat. The Milan Cathedral, with its forest of marble spires, is one of the most spectacular churches ever built. Inside the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, high fashion meets historic architecture. And hidden inside a quiet convent lies one of the world's greatest masterpieces, Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper. Milan is elegant, ambitious, and full of style, the perfect blend of old and new. But Italy isn't complete without the coast. The Amalfi Coast is a masterpiece carved by nature. Pastel houses stacked along steep cliffs, turquoise water sparkling under the sun, narrow roads twisting above the sea. Positano feels like a postcard brought to life. Amalfi is rich with maritime history, and nearby Ravello offers panoramic views so stunning they inspired Wagner and countless artists. Here, the only rule is to relax, preferably with a plate of fresh seafood and a cold limoncello. Just a short trip from Venice is Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake, surrounded by charming towns and dramatic mountains. Whether you're sailing across the water, hiking cliffside trails, or enjoying gelato beside the lake, Lake Garda brings a calm beauty that feels refreshing. Italy isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. It's in the warmth of the people, the flavors of every dish, the art and architecture that change the world, and the landscapes that take your breath away. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, wandering through vineyards, drifting along canals, or relaxing on sunny coastlines, Italy stays with you long after you leave. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures around the world. Until next time, ciao!